Hand care is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in maintaining youthful skin. As we age, our hands face common issues like dryness, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity, exacerbated by environmental factors such as sun exposure and harsh weather. Unlike facial care, which receives ample attention, hands are frequently neglected. This discussion will explore effective homemade solutions to rejuvenate and restore the vitality of our hands. Hand aging is significantly influenced by photoaging and daily activities that expose skin to damage. Factors like sun exposure and repetitive motions can lead to common signs of aging, including wrinkles and sunspots. These changes highlight the necessity of proactive hand care, as neglecting this area can accelerate the aging process. By adopting a consistent hand care routine, we can effectively combat these detrimental effects. Lavender essential oil is a remarkable remedy for wrinkly hands, thanks to its potent antioxidant properties that help combat skin damage. To harness its benefits, mix a few drops of lavender oil with a tablespoon of olive oil. This blend nourishes and rejuvenates the skin. For optimal results, apply this mixture daily, allowing the soothing scent and healing properties to enhance your hand care routine effectively. Ripe bananas serve as a natural moisturizer for hands, packed with vitamins and minerals like potassium and vitamin C that promote skin rejuvenation. To use, simply mash a ripe banana into a smooth paste and apply it generously to your hands. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. For optimal hydration and wrinkle reduction, incorporate this treatment into your daily hand care routine. Aloe vera is highly effective in treating wrinkles due to its rich moisturizing agents, which promote skin health and hydration. To use, simply cut an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Apply the fresh gel directly onto your hands, massaging it in gently. For best results, incorporate this treatment into your daily routine to maintain youthful, supple skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Avocado is a powerful anti-aging fruit for hands, rich in antioxidants that help keep skin soft and supple. To harness its benefits, use avocado oil for soothing hand massages. Simply warm a few drops of the oil in your palms and gently massage it into your hands, focusing on dry areas. For improved skin elasticity, make this a nightly ritual to nourish and rejuvenate your hands effectively. Olive oil is an excellent nourishing treatment for hands, packed with vitamin E and essential fats that promote hydration and skin health. To use, pour a small amount of olive oil into your palms and massage it thoroughly into your hands, focusing on dry areas. For enhanced moisture retention, consider wearing cotton gloves after application. This simple routine will leave your hands feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. In summary, we explored 5 effective homemade solutions for maintaining youthful hands: lavender essential oil, ripe banana, aloe vera, avocado, and olive oil. Consistent hand care is crucial in combating aging and preserving skin health. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on more valuable content. Your engagement helps us continue providing useful tips for your beauty routine.